Hi guys, welcome to Tech Videos. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use AirDrop to share files between devices. So in this case, you need two iPhones side by side and do the thing accordingly what I do right now. Go to Control Center from both of your phones. Go to Control Center and then you will find here the AirDrop option. Search the AirDrop option in the bottom side, but my AirDrop option is here. I make it for quick access. Open up your AirDrop and then open your Bluetooth and open your Wi-Fi. Make sure three things should be turned on: AirDrop, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay, both of your phone. Two phones should be turned on: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and AirDrop. Then go to the file you want to share with. Let's say you want to share this file. If you want to share this file, then you have to click on this bottom left corner. I repeat, bottom left corner, this arrow icon, up arrow. Click on this arrow and you'll find here AirDrop. Click on AirDrop. Now you will find here the AirDrop people. I don't have another iPhone, that's why it's not showing here. But if you are using two iPhone, or if you are open AirDrop in two iPhone, then it will show here. Okay, all you have to just press that one click on that people icon and it will ask for the confirmation to your another iPhone. You have to press the accept option. After click on accept, you can send files between two iPhones. So after that you have to click on done. So simple. This is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.